చేయండి రికార్డింగ్ చేయండి.
చేసా సార్, స్టాప్ రికార్డింగ్ అండి ఇప్పుడు. కదా
సీజర్ కి
ఓకే ఓకే. హలో ఉదయ్ సార్. హలో ఉదయ్ సార్. ఉదయ్ సార్. ఓకే త్రిలోక్. హలో బాగున్నా. అవునవును నాకు క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా. అదే నవీన్ వస్తానన్నాడన్న మరి రాలేదు. అవునా, ఓకే ఓకే. నేను ఇది అయిపోయినాక చేయనా అన్న, క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక చేయనా? ఓకే ఓకే. హలో
అట్లా నిద్ర వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట.
Okay, Trilochan, I will continue this class. I will record this session. They can take this session. Okay, costing based COPA, accounting based COPA differences. Okay, normally here two types of profitability analysis are there. One is costing based COPA profitability analysis and account based profitability analysis. Normally mainly they will use costing based COPA scenario only. Account based COPA scenario sometimes they will use. When they will use account based COPA scenario means if they want to reconcile FI balances with COPA, that time they will use the account based COPA. Suppose if they will use costing based COPA scenario, sometimes the balances it won't match, like FI to COPA. FI balances won't match with COPA values in costing based COPA scenario. The reasons I will tell you later. Okay, normally mainly if you want to reconcile with FI balances to COPA, that time we need to use account based COPA scenario. In costing based COPA scenario, if you use costing based COPA scenario, we can get lot of benefits. Okay, but the values it won't match with FI. Okay. Okay, I will select mute. Okay, if anybody doubts, you can chat. Okay, here casting based COPA. If you select casting based COPA scenario checkbox at the time of creation of operating concern, that time these tables will generate. System automatically will generate these tables: CE1 table, CE2 table, CE3 table, and CE4 table. Okay, along with operating concern, the tables will update in the database. Okay, CE1 table, CE2 table, CE3, CE4. Already I explained the tables. Okay. In account based COPA, if you select account based COPA profitability checkbox, that time these tables will generate COEJ, COEP, COSS, COSP. These tables will generate. Okay, this is one difference. Okay, this is tables. One difference. If you select costing based COPA, these tables will generate, and if you select account based COPA, these tables will generate. This is one difference. Second difference, activation of incoming sales order. Activation of incoming sales order means while we are creating the sales order, that time only I want to know the profitability. Sales order creation time only I want to see the profitability. Okay, for that means projected revenue, projected profitability, not exactly profitability. Okay, projected profitability. Once I will create, yeah, Uday sir. Okay. Okay, activation of incoming sales order, it is possible only in costing based COPA scenario. This is not possible in account based COPA scenario. Okay, incoming sales order record type is A. Incoming sales order record type is A. This we can activate in costing based COPA scenario only. If we activate incoming sales order, that time in the report time, here incoming sales order level value feels different, and billing time value feels different. Okay, you need to create different value fields, and reports also you can create different. Okay, majority of the people won't use this incoming sales order. Okay, this functionality is available only in costing based COPA scenario. Projected revenue we can see only in costing based COPA scenario. Third one is goods delivered to the customer. PGA time, goods dispatch time. Normally in account based COPA. In account based COPA scenario, if you use account based COPA scenario, that time COGS will update at the time of delivery time. That means already I explained, both at a time it will impact. FI side and COPA side, both it will impact at a time. That means goods delivered. That means COGS value it will update at the time of delivery. Okay, delivery time only in FI, the COGS account will be debit and credit is the stock. The COGS will update in the COPA module if you use account based COPA scenario. That means for COGS GL account you will assign the cost element. If you use account based COPA scenario, that time we will assign this COGS account, we will assign the cost element. That time cost object is the COPA. Cost object is the COPA. Normally if you use costing based COPA scenario, for costing based COPA scenario, we won't assign the cost element for this GL account, COGS GL account, we won't assign cost element. Okay, here transaction keys also different. One is VAX and one is VAY. If you assign cost element for COGS GL account, that time GL account we will assign to the VAY. Transaction key is VAY. If you don't assign cost element for the COGS GL account, that time you will assign for VAX. VAX is nothing but without account assignment, VAY with assignment. Okay, and that COGS account also we will maintain in OK B9, and we will select profitability segment checkbox. Default account assignment we will assign. Otherwise, dispatch time system will ask the cost object. The time SD persons doesn't know. Okay, you understood this one? Okay, I will give one example for that purpose. Example. Dispatch time. Account based COPA. Costing based COPA. Okay, normally if you use account based COPA scenario, delivery time entry, FI entry, COGS GL account debit, COGS GL account debit, COGS GL account, stock account credit. Here CO entry, COGS value will update in account based COPA model. Account based COPA scenario. In costing based COPA scenario. Okay, in costing based COPA scenario. In costing based COPA scenario, dispatch time FI entry, same entry, COGS GL account, COGS GL account debit, and stock account credit. Okay, but this COGS value, it won't flow to the COPA model. It won't update in COPA model. Okay, the COGS value, it won't update in the COPA module. But how the values it will match? Delivery time it is updating in FI module, but that time the COGS value, it is not updating in the COPA module. But the COGS value, it will update at the time of billing. COGS value it will update at the time of billing time. COGS value will update at the time of billing in the COPA model, right? That means here in note, in some cases the values, the COGS value, it won't match FI and COPA, FI with COPA. Suppose delivery happened in this month, billing happened in the next month. That time period wise we won't get, right? Okay, assume COGS updated in this month, that is assume February month, but billing happened in the March month. That time this COGS value it will pick from the material master. Right? Suppose COGS value it will pick from the material master. Every month you will run the standard cost estimate. Every month you will run the standard cost estimate. Assume this month standard cost is 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Dispatch time we are selling the quantity 5 quantity. 5 quantity into 100 rupees. That means 500 rupees updated in FI module. But in billing time, billing we are doing next month. In next month, the material price was changed. That means 150 rupees, the material price. The material master updated 150 rupees. Next month, in this month COGS 5 into 100, that means 500 updated. In next month billing time 5 into 150, that means 750 rupees updated in the COPA module. This is one reason the values won't match FI with COPA. Okay, if you want always reconcile with FI, that time we will use account based COPA only. Okay, have you understood this point or not? If you have anybody, you can chat it. Okay, no doubt, na? Okay. Okay, thank you, Manoj. Okay, dispatch time, the value it won't update in costing based COPA scenario. The COGS value it will update in the account based COPA scenario. Okay, billing time in costing based COPA scenario, the COGS also will update through statistical condition type. Through statistical condition type, the COGS value also it will update, but in billing time, the COGS value it won't update in FI module. Okay, same the COGS value at the time of billing it won't update in account based COPA because already updated at the time of delivery. That's why the COGS value it won't update at the time of delivery in the account based COPA scenario. Okay, in the account based COPA scenario, the COGS value it won't update at the time of billing. The COGS value it will update at the time of billing in the costing based COPA scenario. Okay, normally this sales quantity it will update, billing time, discount it will update, rebate it will update, revenue will update in the costing based COPA scenario. Costing based COPA scenario, these values sales quantity, discount, rebate, revenue, COGS. Suppose some people will ask excise also. That purpose for excise also we will create as a revenue GL account. That also excise also it will flow sometimes. Okay, these values sales quantity, discount, rebate, revenue, COGS values will flow at the time of billing time if it is costing based COPA scenario. If it is account based COPA scenario, the COGS value it won't flow, remaining all values will flow at the time of billing. Okay, if the sales order is a cost object scenario, if the sales order is a cost object, billing time in costing based COPA scenario, the values it won't update. The values, the revenue, the rebate, any value, billing time it will update sales order level. Costing based COPA scenario, it won't update at the time of billing if it is a sales order is a cost object. Okay, in account based COPA scenario only, billing time it will update sales quantity, revenue, discount, rebate. Okay, you understood now this point? Yes. Yeah, Trilochan, actually I explained actual values flow. Yeah. Suppose a sales order is not a cost object. That means here make to order they have not implemented. Make to order scenario not implemented. That time sales order process is different. Okay, make to order scenario that process is different. Okay, here in make to order scenario we will use sales order is a cost object scenario. Okay, if you don't use sales order is a cost object scenario, that time that is normal process. Okay, normally billing time directly the values it will flow to the costing based COPA scenario only. But here if it is a sales order is a cost object scenario, the values first it will update at the sales order level. Settlement time, sales order settlement time, the values, the revenue, discount, rebate, the values it will flow to the COPA. Hello. Yes, you understood or not? Normally, first, if it is a sales order is a cost object scenario, the values first it will update at sales order level. The COGS value and revenue, this all it will update at the sales order level. When we settle the sales order, that time it will flow to the costing based COPA scenario. Okay. Okay.
Hello, Hari sir.
Yes, Rajkumar sir.
Sir, I joined late. ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయిందా సార్? ఛాన్స్ అయిపోయిందా?
జస్ట్ ఒక అయింది సార్, ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్.
సార్ మీరు ముందు చెప్తే మీరు జాయిన్ అవుతున్నా కదా సార్.
నేను చెప్పాను సార్, యాక్చువల్గా మీకోసం ఆపాను సార్ ఇప్పుడల్లా, లేకపోతే అయిపోవాల్సింది వాటికి.
అవునా? ఎందుకంటే టైమింగ్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ కదా, దానికోసం.
ఓకే.
ఎస్టర్డే నేను షెడ్యూల్ చేసిన సార్ క్లాస్కి. మీరు ముందే చెప్తే యాక్చువల్గా నేను ఒకటి అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఉండే, అది క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకున్నా.
ఓకే.
ప్లీజ్ ముందు చెప్తే నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఐ షెడ్యూల్ ద క్లాస్.
ఓకే సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ బిల్లింగ్ టైం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆర్డర్ సెటిల్మెంట్ టైం. Normally in production order settlement time, the variance it will flow to the COPA. The variance will flow to the COPA through PA transfer structure. The PA transfer structure we will assign to the settlement profile. This settlement profile we will input to the production order type. By using production order type, you will create the production orders. Okay, at the time of production order settlement, each category wise the values it will flow to the costing based COPA scenario. Okay, in account based COPA scenario you can get the total variance, but each category wise we won't get. Category wise it won't update in account based COPA scenario. The total variance, the total production variance it will update in the account based COPA scenario. In costing based COPA scenario, the total variance it will update, and as well as the category wise also it will update in the costing based COPA scenario. Okay, normally in the PA transfer structure you will assign the variance category. Each variance category wise you will create one value field. Based on that it will update. And in settlement profile also, transfer costing based COPA, transfer the variance to costing based COPA scenario. That checkbox you will select. Based on that you can get the each category wise variance. Okay.
Mr. Satish. कभी गाया कहते हैं क्या? कभी गाया कहते हैं क्या है ये?
Okay, in the sales order, if the sales order is a cost object, in that case you can transfer the variance directly to the sales order or COPA. You can transfer the both. Okay, and next one is Sivogis breakup. Sivogium breakup. Sivogium breakup, it is possible only in costing based COPA scenario.
Sound good. Me? What is this? Tomatoes. Tomato. I don't know what is that. It's tastes like tomato. No one's gonna eat it now.
Okay, sir. Yeah, product costing to COPA. That means Sivogium value, that means Sivogis value at the time of billing time, that value it will update in the COPA module.
Tomato.
Okay, this Sivogium value we can get the breakup in the costing based COPA scenario only. In the account based COPA scenario, it is not possible because here each component wise we are assigning the value field. Each component wise, cost component structure, it consists of the components. Each component wise we are assigning the value field. That means we can get the breakup only in costing based COPA scenario. Here in costing based COPA scenario, you can get main cost component structure breakup as well as auxiliary cost component breakup also you can get in costing based COPA scenario. In account based COPA scenario, you cannot get main cost component structure breakup as well as auxiliary cost component structure breakup. Okay, that is only possible in costing based COPA scenario only. Okay. COPA derivation, it is applicable for both okay. Realignment also it will work for both. Here reset value fields already I explained. Reset value fields means specific billing type wise you can reset the some value. That means suppose at the time of billing time, freight cost we are bearing. Customer is not bearing the freight cost, we are bearing the freight cost. We sold the 10 quantity of finished good X material we sold to the customer. Okay, he rejected due to some reason, he rejected the quantity. Again, he returned that quantity to our company. That time that freight cost we will show as an expenditure in the COPA module. We should show, right? We need to show as an expenditure because we bear the freight cost. For that purpose, return time, when you return the material, that time normally automatically the entry will be reversed. But in COPA, we need to show as an expenditure. For that purpose, you can reset that freight related value field. That means freight cost related value you can reset. That means return time 0 with 0 price it will update in the COPA. That means at the time of billing time the freight cost already updated in the COPA module. Return time it will update with 0. That means 1000 rupees updated in the COPA module. Okay, specific billing type wise you can specify. Okay, internal order, CS order, settlement. Here normally here when we settle the order, that time values it will update in value field in the costing based COPA scenario. Normally in account based COPA scenario, the values it will update in settlement cost element. That is normal point. Here cost center to COPA, normally through a COPA assessment cycle we will transfer in account in costing based COPA scenario. At that time the values it will store under value field. The under or over or absorption, that selling and administration expenditure it will store under the value field. Here in account based COPA scenario, that value it will store under assessment cost element. Okay, top down distribution normally it is applicable for costing based COPA scenario only. It is not applicable for account based COPA scenario. Okay, top down distribution you can use for plan and actual both. Already I explained this business purpose also, business need also. Then we will use top down distribution, already I explained. Okay. Okay, normally in account based COPA scenario only it will work. Here COPA planning. COPA planning is possible for both profitability analysis. In case of costing based COPA, the plan values we will specify respective value field wise. Respective value field and characteristic wise you will maintain the plan values. In account based COPA scenario, values we will maintain cost element wise and characteristic wise. Okay, here currencies also in costing based COPA we can able to see two currencies, that is company core currency, operating concern currency. In account based COPA we can see three currency. Third currency, what is the third currency? Anuradha? Hello? Anuradha? Hello Anuradha, are you there?
Hello.
Yes Anuradha, third currency, what is the third currency?
Hello.
Yeah Anuradha, are you able to listen? Hello?
What happened? Hello. Hari.
Yes Anuradha. Anuradha వినపడుతుందా? Hello? Okay. Okay, normally we can see in in costing based COPA scenario also you can see in company code currency, operating concern currency or document currency. That means in report level you can see in different currencies. USD currency, in different currencies you can see in reporting level. Normally creation time this company code currency checkbox is there and operating concern currency checkbox is there. Okay, that time you can you can see both at a time, company code currency and as well as operating concern currency. And in report execution time there is one option currency field. In that currency field you can give any currency, but here in account based COPA, company code currency, transaction currency, object currency, three options are there. But this in report execution time you can see in any currency, but here you can see specific currency wise, company code currency, transaction currency, object currency. Normally object currency and company code currency both are same. Okay, FICO reconciliation, costing based COPA sometimes it won't match. That is real. FI P&L and sometimes it won't show. It may show different in case of account based COPA. Okay, summarization is it? It is possible only costing based COPA scenario. That it is not possible in account based COPA scenario. In account based COPA scenario, normally the line items we will use, line item reports we will use. Okay, up to this costing based COPA and account based COPA scenario difference. One more thing. Normally, suppose in some cases, in costing based COPA scenario, suppose in SD side, they will do the billing, but that document it won't update in COPA. That values it won't update in the COPA module. In account determination, sometimes account determination errors are there. Yet delivery time COGS updated at in FI module. Delivery time updated the COGS value in the FI module, but billing time, normally billing time it will update the COGS value into the COPA module. But here accounting determination errors are there at the time of billing. But they can do the billing, but account document it won't generate. Normally user will come to us, but the COGS value it is not matching. What is the reason? In that case, you can see the some documents accounting determination errors are there, that you can see in the VFX3, that is one T code. In the T code, what are the document errors are there, that you can check it. Accounting later you can clear the accounting determination and you can post the document. Okay, in that case also the value it won't match. You understood this point? Have you understood
No,
this
are you
point?
understood? Yes, yes. Yes, understood, but exactly that COPA value will match or not?
It won't
Finally.
match. Normally, suppose delivery time updated COGS, right?
Yes, yes.
Billing time, the document has not generated. That means the FI document not generated and the value it has not updated in the COPA. That time COGS value it will show more in FI side. The COGS value it will show less in COPA side.
Okay.
Okay, that time
In
we
account
have
based
to
COPA,
check.
but in
We have to check
continue.
what are the documents as not released. The documents we have to check in VFX3 T code period wise. You can give the date from date and to date. In that VFX3 T code, it will show the sales orders also that you can release. If any error is there, you can rectify accounting determination error. After that, the value it will match.
But in costing based COPA, it will like this or something different.
Yes, in costing based COPA only.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, these are all the difference. You can tell in interview point of view also they will ask this type of questions. What is the difference? Okay, these difference. One is tables it will update in different. And second one is incoming sales order is possible only in costing based COPA, and production variance also each category wise we can get in the costing based COPA scenario. It is not possible to get each category wise in account based COPA scenario, but we will get the total variance. And one more thing, this COGM breakup also we can get the breakup in costing based COPA scenario. It is not possible in account based COPA scenario. Reports also more flexible in reports also more flexibility is there in costing based COPA scenario. In account based COPA scenario, reports we can see cost element wise and characteristics wise. This is not flexible reports. Okay, these are all main differences. Okay, tomorrow I will start the configuration, and two topics are there, summarization and realignment, that I will explain later. In front end I will show you the summarization and realignments. Okay. In summarization also we should execute one program that I will show you. Okay, normally in KUDU it will show the without activate button. That time we need to execute one report in real time. Okay, after configuration, I will show you that summarization and realignment. Remaining topics I covered. Okay, tomorrow I will start the configuration part. Today I will stop this class. Okay, this document I will send now.
Sorry, tomorrow what time exactly?
Tomorrow Trilochan 9 o'clock. Everybody is okay? 9 o'clock. Sir, Rajkumar sir, is it okay? 9 o'clock as per Indian timings.
హలో సార్ ఏం సార్
Tomorrow is it okay? 9 o'clock as per Indian timings.
9 AM పిఎమా సార్
AM.
మీకు 9 AM అయితే మాకు 10:30 PM ఓకే సార్ మాకు
Okay, 9 to 12 o'clock.
సార్ 9 AM అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు నైట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్
Yes sir. ఇప్పుడు మాకు మార్నింగ్ సార్ 9 AM.
మీకు మార్నింగ్ 9 AM ఓకే సార్ మీకు 9 AM అయితే మేము 10:30 PM అవుతుంది సార్ నైట్ అవుతుంది మాకు కానీ మేము లేచి ఉంటాం సార్ ఉదయ్ సార్ మీకు ఓకేనా సార్ మీ రికార్డింగ్ ఆపారా సార్ కొంచెం ప్లీజ్